This is payroll management. The first tab that you get to see here is account info summary. You can fill in all the missing bank details here for each employees by clicking on these fields. Here is the salary structure tab. You can see and edit the salary structure for each employees here. You can also bulk upload the salary structure along with employee details here. Next tab is advanced salary. Here you can see, approve and reject all the advanced salary or loan request from your employees. The next tab is the reimbursement tab. Here you can see, approve and reject all the reimbursement requests from your employees. Next comes the additional pay or deduction tab. You can see all the additional pay or deduction of employees here. You can also add the additional pay and deduction of employees in bulk. The next is Run Payroll tab. This tab helps you generate the payroll of the month. You can click on the Finalize Payroll button present here to generate the payroll for the month. The last tab is Pay Register tab. This tab helps you download salary sheet, PF sheet and ESI sheet.